Meaning and definition of criminal liability. Criminal liability means legal responsibility for committing a crime. When a person does an act which is prohibited by law and has a guilty mind, he becomes liable for punishment. In simple words, criminal liability arises when actus reus plus guilty mind, mens rea, is equal to crime. Example, if a person intentionally harms someone, he is criminally liable. 2 elements of criminal liability. The main elements are actus reus, the physical act or conduct. Mens rea, the mental element, intention, knowledge, negligence. In this answer, we focus on 3 important mental elements: intention, motive, negligence. 3. Intention. Meaning. Intention means the purpose or aim to do a particular act or cause a particular result. Simple explanation. If a person plans and wants a result to happen, he has intention. Example. A shoots B with the aim to kill him, clear intention. Importance. Intention is the most important element in criminal liability. Strong intention usually leads to serious punishment. Key point. Law punishes what a person intends to do, not just what he does. 4. Motive. Meaning. Motive means the reason behind committing an act. Simple explanation. It answers the question, why did the person commit the crime? Example. Killing for money. Theft due to poverty. Difference between intention and motive. Intention is equal to what a person wants to do. Motive is equal to why he wants to do it. Importance. Motive is generally not essential to prove crime, but it helps the court understand the case better. 5. Negligence. Meaning. Negligence means failure to take proper care or caution, resulting in harm to others. Simple explanation. A person does not intend harm but acts carelessly. Example. A driver driving rashly and causing an accident. Types. Simple negligence. Gross negligence, serious carelessness. Importance. Even without intention, a person can be liable if negligent. Common in accident cases. Case study, simple explanation. R.V. Prince, 1875. Facts. A man took away a girl believing she was above 18, but she was actually below 16. Issue. Whether intention matters if the act itself is illegal. Judgment. Court held that intention may not always be necessary if the act is unlawful. Simple understanding. This case shows that sometimes a person can be held liable even without bad intention, especially when law strictly prohibits certain acts. 7. Another example for negligence. Rash driving cases in India. If a driver causes death due to careless driving, he is punished under law even without intention to kill. 8. Conclusion. Criminal liability depends on both the act and the mental state. Intention is the most important factor, motive explains the reason, and negligence covers careless acts. Together, these elements help courts decide whether a person should be punished or not.